Welcome to my YouTube channel Top Tech 22. For most, recreational vehicles prioritize convenience over luxury. However, for the ultra-wealthy, RVs take on a whole new level of opulence. With price tags comparable to high-end homes in exclusive neighborhoods, these vehicles come equipped with cutting-edge amenities and even portable garages. These rolling masterpieces are essentially sophisticated, miniature mansions on wheels. In this list, we'll explore some of the most luxurious motorhomes in the world. Entegra Cornerstone. Renowned for its impeccable style and craftsmanship, the Cornerstone delivers an unparalleled luxury experience. It features quartz countertops, handcrafted hardwood cabinetry, upscale porcelain tile floors, and Italian leather furniture. The kitchen rivals those in many homes, boasting an induction cooktop, a stainless steel dishwasher, and a granite sink. High-tech additions include smart TVs, a Bose sound system, and an LED-lit fireplace. A cozy king-sized master suite with an ensuite and walk-in closets completes the package. Starting at $570,000, prices soar with custom upgrades. Concorde Centurion 1200. Crafted by Germany's Concorde brand, this RV is built on a Mercedes Actros chassis. It features a spacious interior with sleek, modular furniture and a heated floor, roof, and side walls. Highlights include a full-size shower, dishwasher, coffee machine, and a 16-camera surveillance system. An underground garage accommodates a small car. Starting at $750,000, it's a blend of utility and elegance. Newmar King Aire. For over 50 years, Newmar has specialized in luxury RVs, and the King Aire is its crowning achievement. The interior features Italian leather, quartz countertops, and high-end appliances. The master suite includes an adjustable mattress, a Bose soundbar, and a marble-clad bathroom with a rainfall shower. With a starting price of $1.3 million, it offers 6 floor plans and full customization options. Featherlite Vantare Saint-Germain. This Featherlite model stands out with its 4 slide-out sections, plush velvet sofa, and cutting-edge tech, including touch-sensitive controls and 360-degree cameras. The lavish living area includes a cinema-like entertainment system, while the master suite offers unparalleled luxury. The cost? At least $2.5 million. 3. Anderson Mobil Estates. The Heat. Designed for Will Smith, the Heat is a 2-story, 1,200 square foot RV. It includes $30,000 in leather furnishings, a $200,000 kitchen, and a high-tech cinema. Marquee element Palazzo Superior. Dubbed the most luxurious RV globally, the Palazzo Superior features a futuristic design and lavish amenities, including a master suite with a mattress from the supplier to British royalty and a rainfall shower. Its Sky Lounge, complete with a cocktail bar, sets it apart. With a jaw-dropping price of $3 million, it's the pinnacle of mobile opulence. Herz Venture S. The Herz Venture S redefines motorhomes with its rugged off-road design and innovative inflatable roof. Inside, a luxurious 2-story layout offers a spacious kitchen, elegant lounge, and ambient lighting. Priced at around $225,000, it's the ultimate blend of luxury and practicality for adventurous travelers. Marathon Coach 1379. Experience luxury on wheels with the Marathon Coach 1379. It features a state-of-the-art Crestron audio system, plush interiors, and advanced tech like the TechLink electrical system. Powered by a 20 kilowatts generator, this motorhome ensures smooth, energy-efficient adventures. With a private back bath and custom-fit interiors, it's the pinnacle of mobile luxury. Tesla Semi-Truck. The Tesla Semi-Truck is a groundbreaking marvel of green technology. This electric motorhome combines silent performance with minimal environmental impact. Equipped with solar panels, it uses renewable energy to power appliances and fuel your adventures. Inside, it offers a serene haven perfect for off-grid living, where nature surrounds you, and every sunrise brings peace. Priced at $180,000, this sustainable masterpiece redefines eco-friendly travel. Eco Capsule. Meet the Eco Capsule, a futuristic egg-shaped living space merging sleek design with cutting-edge sustainability. Powered by solar and wind energy, this compact home is perfect for off-grid independence. It features a rainwater collection system and a luxurious interior for work, relaxation, or escaping city life. Starting at $99,900, the Eco Capsule is an investment in a greener future and personal freedom. Morello Grand Empire 26. The Morello Grand Empire 26T is a luxurious motorhome built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis with a 530 horsepower engine. Inside, you'll find first-class comfort with adjustable lounge chairs, a spacious living area, and a garage large enough for a Mini Cooper. Perfect for limitless travel, this palace on wheels is priced between €600,000 and €650,000, offering the ultimate adventure in style. Tailor-made tour truck. Inspired by Formula One rigs, the tailor-made tour truck is a mobile workshop for golfers. This double-decker powerhouse houses a vast inventory of equipment, including 1,500 shafts and 1,200 premium golf balls, and features cutting-edge club customization tools. A game-changer on the PGA Tour, it offers a VIP fitting experience, with services starting at $947. Hitch Hotel. The Hitch Hotel is a compact, wheel-free marvel perfect for minimalist adventurers. Expanding from 3.5 feet to 7 feet, it provides a cozy space for 2 adults. Easy to attach to your vehicle, it's eco-friendly, requiring no hookups and emitting 0 emissions. Priced at $4,499, this innovative capsule ensures unforgettable road trip memories. The 2025 BMW 5 Series is a luxury executive sedan that combines sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, exceptional performance, and eco-friendly innovation. Here's an in-depth overview of its features. Performance and driving dynamics. Engine options. The lineup includes multiple powertrains catering to diverse needs. Choices range from turbocharged 4-cylinder engines to potent inline-6 and V8 power plants. For eco-conscious drivers, plug-in hybrid variants, e.g., 530e, are available, combining gasoline and electric power for impressive efficiency and reduced emissions. Mild hybrid system. Many models feature a 48-volt mild hybrid system that enhances acceleration, reduces fuel consumption, and delivers smoother performance. X-Drive all-wheel drive. Available across the range, X-Drive ensures superior traction and stability on all road conditions, from rain-slicked streets to snowy terrain. Adaptive suspension and driving modes. Drivers can customize their experience with modes like Comfort, Eco Pro, and Sport, while adaptive suspension provides a blend of responsive handling and ride comfort. Exterior and design. Refined aesthetics. The 5 Series sports a bold design with sharp contours, a more prominent kidney grille, and adaptive LED headlights with BMW's signature light pattern. Aerodynamic innovations. Features like active air vents and air curtains enhance aerodynamics, improving fuel efficiency and performance. Wheel options. From standard 18-inch alloys to striking 20-inch designs, the wheel choices cater to varying tastes and driving requirements. Interior and comfort. Premium materials. The cabin showcases a luxurious mix of soft leather, brushed aluminum, and fine wood trims, exuding elegance and attention to detail. Advanced seating. Front seats are ergonomically designed, offering heating, ventilation, and optional massage functions. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom and optional reclining seats. Ambient lighting. Customizable ambient lighting sets the tone for every journey, with color options that create a serene or dynamic atmosphere. Climate control. A 4-zone automatic climate control system ensures individual comfort for all occupants. Technology and connectivity. iDrive 8.5. The latest iteration of BMW's infotainment system integrates a curved display, comprising a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. It offers crystal-clear graphics and seamless usability. Voice and gesture control. Control functions with spoken commands or intuitive gestures, reducing the need for physical interaction. Wireless integration. Enjoy standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with 5G connectivity for real-time navigation updates and entertainment streaming. Augmented reality navigation. Advanced navigation overlays directions onto live video feeds for an intuitive driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Advanced driver assistance systems. The 2025 5 Series is equipped with BMW's Driving Assistant Pro, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic jam assistance. This suite makes long drives less stressful and enhances safety. Parking Assistant Plus. Automatic parallel and perpendicular parking with a 360-degree camera simplifies maneuvering in tight spaces. Collision mitigation. Includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Sustainability and efficiency. Plug-in hybrid option. The 530e combines a powerful electric motor with a turbocharged engine, offering a limited all-electric range for emissions-free city driving. Eco-friendly materials. BMW incorporates recycled and sustainably sourced materials throughout the vehicle, reflecting its commitment to environmental responsibility. Additional features. Bowers & Wilkins audio system. An optional premium sound system delivers concert-like audio quality. Digital key. Use your smartphone to lock, unlock, and start the car, adding a layer of convenience. Remote software updates. Stay ahead with over-the-air updates that enhance functionality and introduce new features without visiting the dealership. Verdict. The 2025 BMW 5 Series sets a benchmark in the luxury sedan market with its perfect blend of performance, innovation, and sustainability. It caters to drivers seeking comfort and refinement while providing the latest in automotive technology and eco-friendly advancements. Thanks for watching. Give me your opinion and comment. Please like, share, and subscribe.